Welcome. My name is Joey Zeppilli. I am a CPG brand expert. I also own multiple brands, including the best brand and the best popcorn, Bad Monkey Popcorn. I have closed deals with the NHL, Walmart, Costco, the NBA, MLB, MLS, all the sports teams. I'm in 30,000 locations, 5 countries. I deal with Disney, we deal with Marvel, we do Simpsons, Kraft Dinner, you name it, we've done it. If you don't know, Bad Monkey Popcorn is gourmet popcorn. We really have a trilogy. We try to have three really important points. One is the attitude of Red Bull, the price point of Walmart, but the quality has to be Starbucks. So for my product, Bad Monkey Popcorn, where is it? Where did this guy hide this popcorn? Where is this guy's popcorn? Oh, I hear it. There it is, Bad Monkey Popcorn. So this bag, what's really cool is we just won 2 innovation awards. It's actually 100% compostable, but guess the best part? It's heatable, meaning you could heat up the popcorn in 30 seconds. You can eat it as is, or if you want that movie experience, we got 3 delicious flavors: double butter, caramel, and sweet and salty kettle corn. Just wanted to let you know that Bad Monkey Popcorn, I started it in 2015. Now 2023, we're actually the #1 brand in Canada and soon in North America. So I just want to let you know you're going to be learning a lot of things about health, wealth, and knowledge, which is the most important. My daughters will be sharing some info because I guarantee you they know a lot more than 95% of the people out there. They learn from the best, and of course, you want to beat the rest, you got to be the best. Nice. Are you ready to learn? Because today we're going to be learning. Every single night you're going to be with me working on deals. Every night I'm going to be filming content for you. Everybody's been asking me. I'm not the typical guy to be on camera. I love being behind the scenes, but since nobody can do it as good as me, of course, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go out and help there. People really didn't help me when I was young. My dad, nobody really helped me. I had no coaching, and that's why once I made it, I had to teach everybody how to make it. I'm not charging you. This is gonna be free content. You're gonna love it. We're gonna help you build your brand, okay? Get some marketing coverage, get some news coverage, and guess what? Get your product in the grocery store. Yeah, grocery store, Kroger's, Aldi's, Superstore, Loblaws, Metro, Sobeys, Costco, Walmart, everybody. Online, doesn't matter, inline, I'm gonna get your product from zero to hero. And how? Not saying that I've done some magic pill. What I'm saying is I've already done it. I have put the boots in the ground, in the snow. Watch out. Joey Zeppilli's coming. 2024, baby. Here we go. Peace out.
So my dad and me and my little sister, we're gonna be talking about money. Money is very important because you could buy any stuff you need. You could buy like food, a house. You can't just like waste money on junk or like toys, or yeah, you don't waste money for silly stuff. You waste money for good stuff like food. You need food, like a bed. You need a house. You need so much things. You can't just spend it all on junk. That's not how this works. You have to like let's say you want this toy. You can only buy one toy, but not each day, because that's gonna waste all of your money and you're not gonna be happy. So money is all about buying stuff that is good, not stuff that's like a and other stuff. Bye. Oh wait, and my name is Maria and I'm 7 years old. I'm turning 8 in July 10. Thank you. Peace. Hello, my name is Sophia and I'm 5 years old. My daddy owns Bad Monkey Popcorn and he's really rich and he have a lot of money, and don't just spend on junk. You have to eat healthy, or you're going to get cavities if you eat junk. And always brush your teeth. Bye.
I told you, 95% of people, bring them here. Bring them right here. Come on, come on, come here, come here. And you're gonna see they're smarter than all of them. First, I wanna introduce you to...
Sophia.
Speak up.
My name is Sophia, and I'm 5 years old.
What's your last name?
Zeppilli.
Okay, great, awesome. And today we're gonna be learning. Every day we're gonna be learning, or do we stop learning?
Every day we're gonna learn.
You heard it from the best, Sophia. Every day we're gonna learn. So keep that in your head. Every day we're gonna learn. So I want to, can I introduce your sister next?
Yeah.
Okay, scoot over here. Who we got here?
Maria Zeppilli.
Talking to Mike.
Hi everybody, my name is Maria Zeppilli.
Do we learn one day, 2 day, or every day?
Every day. And Zeppillis don't give up. You always have to stay strong.
That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. We just wanted to say hi. Every night you're going to be hearing from us. We're going to either be learning from Maria, Sophia, me, and we also have a third little nugget, a little baby. What's her name?
Olivia.
Yeah, that's it.
Olivia Zeppilli.
Yeah, and what is she like? What is your sister like? She funny?
Yep, she loves baby dolls.
She loves baby dolls.
Oh,
yeah.
should I go get a picture of our family?
No. Next time, next episode. Every night we're gonna be filming.
But where's that popcorn?
Which popcorn?
Our popcorn.
Oh yeah, true. Right here, the monkeys got it. How did you get it? How do you get the popcorn? What?
That's impossible.
Hey, that's not your popcorn. That's ours. You understand?
Give me it back.
No, okay, no. He said no. We don't mess with him. He said he's gonna eat it. All right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.
Have a nice day, and I hope you have the best day, and stay safe. Bye. Peace out. Peace.